Is oregano oil good for you? Today, let's explore the world of oregano oil and its incredible benefits for internal health. Did you know that oregano oil is one of the most popular natural remedies today, with its market expected to grow by over 8% annually? But, is it really as beneficial as people claim? Oregano oil, derived from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant, has been used for centuries. Ancient Greeks and Romans used it for its medicinal properties, and it was a staple in traditional medicine, for treating infections and digestive issues. Today, it's a favorite in natural and holistic health circles, praised for its potential to boost the immune system, fight bacteria, and even improve gut health. So, is oregano oil the miracle cure it's touted to be? Let's dive into its history, benefits, and how to incorporate it into your health routine. Oregano oil is like a little bottle of magic for your health. It's packed with powerful properties that can help keep you healthy and happy. Here are some of its top benefits. Number 1, antimicrobial power. Oregano oil has strong antimicrobial properties, making it effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This potency can help treat infections and boost the immune system. Oregano oil can fight harmful bacteria and viruses. A study published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology found that it was effective against several strains of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. This means it can help protect you from infections and keep your immune system strong. Number 2, anti-inflammatory benefits. If you have inflammation, oregano oil might help. It contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. According to a study in the European Journal of Pharmacology, these compounds can help reduce swelling and pain, making oregano oil a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Number 3, antioxidant properties. Oregano oil is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards that fight off harmful molecules, called free radicals. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted that oregano oil has a high antioxidant capacity, which can help prevent chronic diseases and keep you feeling youthful. Experts also agree that oregano oil is a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Dr. Axe, a well-known health expert, often recommends it for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. He suggests using it in moderation, and always diluting it with a carrier oil, to avoid skin irritation. Oregano oil is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This protection can contribute to overall health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 4, digestive health. Oregano oil can aid digestion by stimulating bile flow and digestive juices. It is a potent natural remedy that can significantly enhance digestive health. As mentioned above, it contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have strong antimicrobial properties, helping to combat harmful bacteria, fungi, and parasites in the digestive tract. This can reduce symptoms such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, oregano oil can promote the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in food breakdown and improving nutrient absorption. Number 5, respiratory health. The potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil benefit respiratory health. It can help soothe respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis, by acting as a natural expectorant, which aids in expelling mucus and phlegm. Additionally, the oil's antimicrobial effects can help fight off pathogens that contribute to respiratory infections, making it a supportive option for maintaining clear airways and promoting easier breathing. Number 6, pain relief. Oregano oil may offer effective pain relief due to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically or taken in supplement form, it can help reduce pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, aches, joint pain, or headaches. The oil's ability to inhibit inflammatory responses and alleviate discomfort makes it a natural alternative for those seeking relief, without relying on conventional pain medications. Number 7. Weight loss. Oregano oil may support weight loss efforts, through its potential to enhance metabolic function and regulate appetite. The oil contains compounds that can help improve digestion and promote fat oxidation, which may lead to more efficient calorie burning. Additionally, oregano oil may help reduce cravings by balancing blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for individuals looking to manage their weight effectively. But how can you use oregano oil for internal or external health? To treat any of the above health problems and several more, dilute 1 to 3 drops of oregano oil in 1 cup of water and drink the full cup. It's generally recommended to take oregano oil for up to 10 days, followed by a break, to avoid any potential side effects. Always start with a small dose, to see how your body reacts. For mouth and throat issues, add 1 drop of oregano oil to half a cup of water, and use it to gargle without swallowing. Only use oregano oil internally if it's food grade, and recommended by a healthcare professional. It should not be consumed in the essential oil form, because this can cause many health problems, such as nausea, headache, dizziness, vomiting, and abdominal discomfort. When applying oregano oil topically or taking it internally, always dilute it with a carrier oil at a 1 to 4 ratio, and consult your health provider for further information. Also, remember that you can consume oregano oil extract only as a pill or capsule supplement, or with a meal. Depending on what you are using it for, you can use oregano oil in various ways, but if you find it too strong, use it at a lower concentration. Add a few drops to a diffuser for aromatic use, to enjoy its antimicrobial benefits and fresh scent. For topical use, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil, and apply it to your skin, to help with inflammation or infections. Remember, while oregano oil is powerful, it's always best to use it carefully and consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns before starting any new supplement. Ask your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions, or are taking other medications. This will ensure that you're using oregano oil safely and effectively. Adding oregano oil to your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. The benefits are numerous, whether you're adding a few drops to your tea, using it in cooking, or taking it as a supplement. Consistency is key, so keep exploring the wonders of natural health remedies in your healthy zone. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll share whether oregano oil is the secret to clear skin, its countless benefits for skin health, and how to use it topically. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and use oregano's gifts for overall health and wellness.